Hi friends, I am Narsiman. I am your financial consultant. Today we are here to discuss about NRI home loans. SBI NRI home loans. Okay, today those NRIs who are abroad, they believe that it is not that easy to apply for NRI home loans, and maybe the paper formalities or the documentation is definitely going to be higher, but it is not so. The documentation is definitely not that difficult. Only the basic documentation which is required as an NRI is what we will be looking at, and where we are here to help you out in ensuring that your process is very smooth. Okay, I am going to run through a video which will give you the entire information about how SBI home loan works, and if you have any doubt you can always call us, and the number is also mentioned there, and you can always send a WhatsApp to us. We will definitely be in a position to help you out. There are a lot of advantages in going with SBI home loans, which once you go through the presentation you will definitely understand it, and I would request all my NRI friends to go through the entire video, because I don't want that you miss something which is important. And once you go through the entire video, if you like it, yes, of course, please do share to your friends and like it. And let me go through it. Just give me a few minutes. I am getting into the presentation where you will see the entire details. Okay, just a second. Hi friends, I am now with the presentation. This is easy home loans for NRI. Okay, that is SBI home loans, which is specifically for NRIs. And what is the special product for NRIs? I'm going to run through it. The eligibility is where any NRI who is either a non-NRI or a person of Indian origin. I think I don't have to explain you what is NRI is. Okay, you have an NRI status, or if you are a PIO, then you will be in a position to apply for this loan. What is the minimum age required is 18 years, and the maximum age required is 60 years for entering into this loan. And the loan tenure maximum is 30, subject to your age, subject to you reaching 60. The maximum is 30. And NRI, where the process, which is, if at all, if an NRI is in India, is it difficult? A lot of people have a question that how difficult it is, like for NRIs if they are in India. So I am telling you the process, how does it work, and it's not that complicated, it's pretty easy. For NRI, those who are in India, what is the process? While NRI in India, the original documents are verified by the branch. Okay, any of the SBI branches verifies your Xerox copies which you give, that has been verified with your original. The SBI branch managers give you the verification, or the authorized person does the verification, and then there's a loan processing center which processes your loan. I am telling you a very short process. Okay, it is to make it easier to understand that how does it work. One, the loan documents are verified, and then your entire application along with the documents is sent to the processing center. There is the process which is done, and once they go through it, and if it is as per the criteria of SBI, then the loan is sanctioned. Okay, this loan is sanctioned is subject to various factors as per the SBA process. If it is as per the process, yes, it is sanctioned. Otherwise, it is not sanctioned. So, in most of the cases, yes, if there is no complication, it is as per the process, then it is sanctioned, and it doesn't take much of time, because for high value clients and for NRIs, definitely yes, there is a special people who have been taken care, who takes care of your process. So there, one, your loan is sanctioned. Once it is sanctioned, then the person who is NR in India would be in a position to go and do the mortgage. And once he does the mortgage, deed is signed, then the disbursement is done. So that is the process when the person is in India. While the person is not in India, what is the process? Okay, because those who are abroad, because they will not be in a position to easily coordinate with somebody, they have a confusion how easy it is. Definitely, it is not at all difficult. It's more easier. The process is very simple. All the documents are attested as below. That is, one, either a SBI officer, in case you have an SBI branch nearby, that a person who is authorized can check and verify it, or otherwise, embassy can check and verify your documents, or otherwise the public notary of that particular location can do the verification. So these are the three people who are authorized to verify your documents. So the entire documents verified by these people, and post verification you will be sending the entire documents by courier. Of course, like being abroad, you will have to have a power of attorney done. That is, that power of attorney is a person whom you are giving an authorization to sign on your behalf. So the power of attorney has to be in SBI format, and it has to go through the process of SBI. So the power of attorney has to be done so that if, because you're not in India, somebody on your behalf will sign, and the uh, whatever is the procedure, it is very clearly laid on, which we will be in a position to discuss the moment you want to go for a loan. You can always call us. We'll be in a position to explain you what is this power of attorney, what would be the format, and who is authorized to become a power of attorney. Okay. And once there's a power of attorney also has been sent by you as per the SBI format, all your application along with the Xerox copies attested with certain formalities of your local CIBIL score and other things, then the loan is processed in the processing center once it comes to the processing center. And yes, as per the authority, as per the SBA norms, if everything fits into it, then the loan is sanctioned. And the moment loan is sanctioned, then the disbursement is done, subject to the power of attorney holder comes and signs on your behalf the mortgage deed and completes the formality. Now, what is the services you can avail? What are the services you can avail as far as home loan is concerned? Is one, new loan. That is, whenever you're going for a new property and you want to go for a loan, you can go for a new loan. That is one. Second is, you can also switch your existing home loan from other bank to SBI. So that is the second option, that in case if suppose you are planning to switch a loan from other bank to SBI, that is also available. That's a service. Apart from that, there's something called as reality home loan, which means SBI also provides a loan for building a house on a land. So that also is the part of SBI home loan service. Yes, this is something which is not a part of SBI home loan service, but we can provide or we can try to support you in terms of NRI account opening, because that's also required as a part of the process. So these are the services, that is for new loan and for switching of home loan, plus reality home loan, that is building a house on a land, and also NRI account opening. Yes, we can definitely support you. And what are the advantages? Like, see, when I say that, okay, SBI is definitely best bank to go with, what are the advantages of SBI home loan? The advantages of being an NRI and taking a home loan from SBI. One, the legality of the property is thoroughly checked. Okay, when I say this, okay, I am speaking specifically related to SBI, because the empaneled advocates of SBI are the people who are going to check the legality of a document. So one, as per the SBI process, the legality is checked with various parameters, and that gives a comfort level to the NRI that the property is being legally assessed by the empaneled advocate of SBI. And as per SBI's norms and everything, so if it is checked, you can be little bit assured that there is no much of issues on the property. It is as good as that it has been checked by been checked by SBI. So you can be rest assured on the legality of the document. The second, SBI approved projects are also available. So wherein there are certain projects which are approved by SBI, which means the legality of the property has been checked as per the SBI's formats and as per the SBI's formalities. So there are approved projects which has been checked. So you have already an approved project which is checked. So most of the legalities has been checked. So you can be at peace. And as you know, the rate of interest is definitely low. SBI's rate of interest is definitely lowest. It is also one of the lowest rate offering bank among other banks. And max gain, yes, this is one of the best facility which an NRI can use it, because max gain is basically a overdraft facility wherein it enables you to park in any amount of money other than your EMI, and that amount of money which you park doesn't attract interest, which means for an example, that my loan is around 1 crore, I park in around 10 lakhs. So the interest would be on 90 lakhs, not on the entire 1 crore, because your 10 lakhs is available in excess other than the EMI. And this 10 lakhs, whenever you want to withdraw, you can withdraw. As long as it is there in the account, it doesn't attract interest. But once you withdraw back, then the interest is added to that amount, which is the loan amount which amount which is there in your account. So where you have an advantage that you can park in money whenever you want, any amount of money, and save on that much of interest. At the same time, you have liquidity to withdraw this money. And again, original documents with one of the best banks. Again, as I said, that SBI is also one of the best banks. So your all the original documents are with the bank. Being an NRI, yes, you feel that my papers are with my bank, where I'm not in a position to regularly interact. But you can be rest assured that your papers are with one of the best banks. Yes, and see, I am just providing you my contact number. So I would request you, because the moment we have a discussion, then we can have more further details as to individually what exactly is the requirement. Person to person, it differs. So we would be in a position to share what is this required as per you, and the documents required, and what are the other advantages. Everything can be discussed. So would request you to note down the number, so that in case you miss on this video, you can still call us anytime. That is 830-880-1887. Okay, I just repeat, that is 830-880-1887. And my Facebook ID is Narsimhan L. You can check it. We are posting all the required information regarding home loan on the Facebook. You can check it up. You can always WhatsApp on the same number, so that we'll get back to you immediately. And there's a video which has been attached. Okay, the video is about the benefits of transferring your home loan from other bank to SBI. In case you have a loan with other bank, that is other than SBI, and if you want to transfer, there are benefits on transferring your home loan from other bank to SBI, which is given entire details on this video. I would request you to go through the video, and yes, if you like it, you can always share it to your other NRI friends as well. Thank you so much, and thanks for hearing me.